Hi guys and welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you how to make carrot cake cupcakes. So let's begin. So to get started, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your butter, which is at room temperature or been warmed in the microwave like mine had. Add in your light brown sugar, then mix the two together until they are lighter and fluffier. Pretty much well combined. Once you achieve that, you can then go ahead and add in your eggs and vanilla. I added the vanilla first, then added the eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, being careful to not add them all too quickly as otherwise you may split or scramble the mixture, and that's not ideal at this time in the recipe. So once all of your eggs have been added and incorporated, you'll want to make sure that they have fully been incorporated. You may notice that the mixture is a little bit loose. That's completely fine, don't worry. With the mixer going, just add in all of your grated carrot and mix until it's fully distributed. Then give the bowl a good scraping down, just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You may also find that the mixture looks split or curdled. Don't worry, this is because of the amount of moisture that has been added. Then you can go ahead and add in the raw ingredients, which is your flour, your raisin agents and spices, followed by the walnuts and the raisins. Then mix on a low speed to start with, working up to a medium-high speed, and once it's been fully incorporated, you can then go ahead and place the mixture into a piping bag, and this is just to make it easier to pipe into the cases. But before you do that, don't forget to give the bowl a good scraping down, just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. Go ahead and fill the cases 3/4 to 2/3 of the way full, then place in the oven and bake off. Information will be in the blog post down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. Then to make the cream cheese icing, it's really simple. Grab yourself a clean mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl you can go ahead and add the butter, the icing sugar and the vanilla extract. Then mix on a low speed to start with, just to incorporate, then mix on a medium to high speed until the mixture is lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. It should almost be white in colour as well, or very pale yellow. This is what you're looking for, as you can tell with mine. Once you've achieved this, you can then go ahead and add the cream cheese in around 2 additions and mix well. Then by the time it's fully incorporated, it should become much lighter and fluffier and be again almost white in colour. This is what you're looking for. So then place the cream cheese into a piping bag and pipe on top of each cupcake as much or as little icing as you would like. I went with a generous amount as cream cheese works really well with carrot cake. Then top each cupcake with some sprinkles. You can use whichever ones. I got these ones when I was in the US. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be links to this recipe, a link to my blog, links to my social medias. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.